This call is now being recorded.
So we stopped at 1.29. Any doubts, any questions still here? No? Okay. Till where did sir finish the explanation? Can anyone tell?
Till 40 sutras, man, 40th.
40. Okay. This is little big sutra. So from here, please write down 1.30 and 1.31. These both are one set. Okay. These are about the obstacles and the what do you say add-ons. Add-ons to it are the Vikshepa Sahabhuvaha. These two are like a pair. Okay. So this is speaking about the problems that could obstruct or cause antarayas to our practices. They are Vyadhi, Sthana, Samshaya, Pramada, Alasya. So if you look here, one second. Where is this? Okay. देखो यहाँ पर pramada alasya both are mixed. So what he has done, he has put one horizontal line on. So pramada alasya, it is mixed here. Avirati bhranti darshana, again alabdha bhumikatva anavasthitattvani chitta vikshepaha te antarayaha. So if you look in the English, he has given it like a little bit into small parts, which is easy to understand. Okay, I think you all might have understood in the explanation because sir has covered up to 1.40. But still briefly, I will tell. So Vyadhi is the sickness in the physical body. Then Sthana means mental inertia. So the mind is not in a state to do any action. Then Samshaya here, Tarka, Vitarka, both, okay. So many doubts, to do or not to do. Will I pass or not pass the UGC net? Is this preparation enough or not enough? Should I study for 8 hours or 6 hours? Should I write the notes or look at the soft copy? Like that, all doubts. Pramada means uh, we are like little in a hurry. We sometimes skip and then try to go to something fastly that can be not okay for us. Then comes the alasya. Pramada, alasya means all of you know alasya. Alasya is like little bit dull, heavy, where tamoguna prevails. Then avirati. Avirati is like little different schools have different meanings here and there, so don't get confused. One they say too greedy, too fastly, I want results. Nowadays, if you see, they'll say 5 kgs loss in 15 days, like 10 kg loss in 1 month, which is avirati or greedy or attached or wanting to have something very quickly. Then we have the Bhranti Darshan. Bhranti Darshan also means wrong idea or delusion. Jo nahi ho sakta hai. The same thing you can say. For example, 10 kg weight loss in 1 month can be a Bhranti, which may or may not happen, but we hook onto it. Then comes the Alabdha Bhumikatva. Alabdha Bhumikatva means अलब्ध, लब्ध होना, अलब्ध होना, जो प्राप्त नहीं कर पाते हैं. We sometimes try something but वो कभी प्राप्त नहीं होता है because sometimes we set the target so high that it is not achievable, then we get disappointed. Okay, then anavasthitattvani, labdha bhumikatva. Anavasthitattvani means not able to stay on what we achieved. For example, we achieve headstand and then we think we have achieved the headstand, and when then we don't practice for 15 days or 1 month, then one day we'll try, we will just fall off. Okay, so these are all the chitta vikshepas. Vikshepa means which cause a scattered mind or mind which is fragmented, which are all our antarayas for us. Then 1.31 is dukkha daurmanasya angame jayatva. So here the breakup we will see shvasa prashvasa vikshepa sahabhuva. So along with that, what he's saying is sometimes the three types of dukkha, adi bauddhika, adi devika, adhyatmika dukkha, that can add to our antarayas. Then daurmanasya also manas is like it is not stable, little chidchida it is fragmented, it is not in a state of balance. Okay, then comes the angame jayatva, angam, and in that trembling in the limbs and body is not stable. Shvasa prashvasaha means again the inhalation and exhalation is disturbed, and when the inhalation exhalation is disturbed, we are not able to hold the kumbhaka. Okay, we'll try to do these two sutras. So on my screen I have Sandeep and Sindhu. Are you there together today or only one person? Okay, there is no response. Namita, are you there, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please repeat the chant after me or verse after me.
Ma'am, before that, I have a question in this sutra. This alabdha bhumikatva is a one word. Then why there is gap after this lab then bhu?
Yeah. This sometimes, you can ignore this, but it is alabdha. Labdha, maybe just to chant they have broken. Alabdha bhumikatva. So here it makes sense. Whatever bhumi or whatever state you want to achieve, you can't. वो लब्ध नहीं होता. So it's a full meaning only. Alabdha bhumikatva. But it
Okay.
is better rather than doing labdha bhumikatva, it is better we do alabdha bhumikatva. Okay, I will break it in a right way so that you can learn, because this was the only online thing where I got both English and Sanskrit. So there might be some chote mistakes. So we will ignore that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. That's okay.
So again, these are numbers. Here we have total 9 obstacles for the practices. Please write down, very important. One question compulsory will come from this. Again, they will put Alabdha Bhumikatva somewhere here, and then they will put Sthana somewhere here, and then they'll say put it in an order. Okay. So please by heart this order. Namita ji, please repeat after me. I'm going to break it into each antaraya and make you chant, okay?
Ma'am, you can just say Namita, Ji mat kahiye. You are a teacher, so it's okay. You can just call the name.
Okay, Namita. Okay.
Thank you.
Vyadhi,
Vyadhi, Vyadhi,
Sthana,
Vyana. Ma'am, it was
Sthya,
Satyana.
Sthana,
Sthana, Sthana,
Samshaya.
Samshaya, Samshaya.
So you can say ma or na, जो दोनों भी चलेगा. संशया और samshaya, both चलेगा. Samshaya,
Samshaya, Samshaya,
Pramada,
Pramada, Pramada,
Alasya,
Alasya, Alasya,
Avirati,
Avirati, Avirati,
Bhranti Darshana,
Bhranti Darshana, Bhranti Darshana,
Alabdha Bhumikatva,
Alabdha Bhumikatva, Alabdha Bhumikatva,
अनवस्थितत्वानि
अनवस्थितत्वानि अनवस्थितत्वानि.
Yeah, you pulled it very nicely because this anavasthitattvani mostly people don't get it. Okay. It is basically regression. We fall back from what we have achieved. Chitta vikshepaha
चित्तविक्षेपाः चित्तविक्षेपाः
te antarayaha.
ते अन्तरायाः ते अन्तरायाः.
Very good. So let us try the whole sutra. Vyadhi, Sthana, Samshaya, Pramada, Alasya, Avirati, Bhranti Darshana, Alabdha Bhumikatva, Anavasthitatvani, Chitta Vikshepaha, Te Antarayaha.
व्याधि स्त्यान संशय प्रमाद आलस्य अविरति भ्रांति दर्शन अलब्ध भूमिकत्व अनवस्थितत्वानि चित्त विक्षेपाः स्ते अंतरायः. व्याधि स्त्यान संशय प्रमाद आलस्य अविरति भ्रांति दर्शन अलब्ध भूमिकत्व अनवस्थितत्वानि चित्त विक्षेपः स्ते अंतरायः.
Very good, Namita. You pulled it off very nicely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we will move to the 1.31. On my screen, next I have Roshni. Roshni, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We will proceed with the Sahabhuvahas. These are 4 in number. That how many were the obstacles?
9.
9. Obstacles were 9. Sahabhuvahas are 4. Okay.
4.
Yeah. Roshni, please repeat after me. Dukkha,
Dukkha,
Daurmanas. I'm sorry. Daurmanasya,
Dormanasya,
Angame Jayatva,
Angmejatva,
Shvasa Prashvasaha,
Swasha Prashwasaha,
Vikshepa Sahabhuvaha,
Vikshepa Saha
Okay, Shvasa Prashvasa, there are different meanings. They say that it is disturbed breathing. Some people say,
बाह्य कुंभक और आंतरिक कुंभक.
huh?
बाह्य कुंभक and आंतरिक कुंभक.
Yeah, so sometimes they say inhalation becomes longer. Shvasa Prashvasa. So inhalation becomes longer than the Prashvasa or exhalation. That causes problem. These 4 are Chitta Vikshepas. Thank you, Roshni. Now, from 1, please note down in your notes, 1.32 to 1.39, Patanjali is speaking about the tools to remove or help remove this 9 obstacles plus the 4 Vikshepa Sahabhuvas. Bhuvahas, okay. So again in that,
Ma'am, whole
yes.
sutra chanting.
Yes. Whole sutra chanting.
Ma'am.
Yeah, I forgot. So, yeah, please. I'll chant, then you repeat after me. Dukkha daurmanasya angamejayatva shvasa prashvasa vikshepa sahabhuvaha.
दुख दौर मनस्य अंग में जत्व श्वास प्रश्वास विक्षेप सह भुवः.
One more time.
दुःखदौर्मनस्याङ्गमे जित्वा श्वास प्रश्वास विक्षेप सह भुवः.
Good. Good, Roshni. Okay, I
Then
need
these are four vikshepa sahabhuvana.
yeah. Dukkha
So,
1, Dormanasya 2, Angame Jetva 3, Shwasa Prashwasa 4.
okay, swas praswasha both are one. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
OB again, sometimes different teachers, different schools, sometimes they say Shwasa Prashwasa and Vikshepa. There's something there, they will give an extract. They will say 5. There are 5 things. So the way I learned is Dukkha, Dormanasya, Angame Jetva, Shwasa Prashwasa, Vikshepa, Sahabhuva. There is 4,
Okay, ma'am.
depending on the teacher explanation. So one thing what you will do is next, whenever you people have class with sir, so there is one question on this. Maitri Karuna Mudito Pekshanam. So they ask in the tools prescribed by the Patanjali in Yoga Sutras, is this the first tool, second tool, third tool, or fourth tool? So some schools call this Tat Pratishedhartham Ekatattva Abhyasa has 1. Then they say this is 2. Okay, sometimes they don't consider this as a tool. Then this becomes 1. So if sir can help you, just check this is the first tool or second tool. Just clarify in the next class. Then we will discuss. Okay. So
Sir have explained about this one. Maybe this is the second tool, I think so. Sir have given an explanation about this one.
So one more thing is another school where I studied, they said 1.32 Ekatattva Abhyasaha and Maitri Karuna Mudito Pekshanam are 2 compulsory tools. From there, others are optional tools. Okay? So different schools explain differently. So but this compulsory, this question comes, is this the first tool that Patanjali has prescribed or the second tool? Okay. So just check with sir once. So he's saying the first thing that you can do to remove all of this is Tat Pratishedhartham Eka Tattva Abhyasaha. Please follow one Abhyasa, one teacher, one goal Abhyasa. Don't change frequently. Okay. Then he speaks about Maitri Karuna Mudito Pekshanam Sukha Dukkha Punya. These 4 and these are 4. This always comes in the match the following. Anyways, if we complete the portion today, Wednesday I'll conduct an exam. That time you will understand. Okay. Then next tool he is telling Prachardana Vidharanabhyam Va Pranasya. So he is saying, let me tell correctly. Yeah. Prachardana means to take out or exhalation. Dharana means focusing on that. Vidharana means focusing on exhalation. Prana means breath. Okay. Then he is saying Vishayavati va pravartirutpanna manasaha sthiti nibandhini. So what he is saying, whatever things that we perceive through Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Sparsha, all that, it is always binding us. So what we can take is take an alamban which stabilizes the mind and not binds it or causes bandha. Okay. Then he is saying Vishokava Jyotishmati. He is saying connected to the to your own inner light, so that the more and more you go inside and you move on to a path where there is no shoka and only light. Then he speaks about Vitaraga Vishayam Vachittam. He's saying there are some rishis already who have walked this path. What they have done is they have got rid of all the attachments, raga. Those who don't have attachment, those who don't have any raga. So either you meditate upon them or bring them to your awareness and connect to them. You will also start feeling the Vitaraga Vishyam. Then he speaks about Swapna Nidra Jnana Nambalam. Jnana Lamba Namba. He's saying there is another way you can draw knowledge from, that is from the deep sleep. Okay. So from that you can take support. Then he's saying Yatabhimata Dhyanadva. So he gave 1, you can't do that, do this, 2, you can't do that, do 3, or he's saying or. Okay, you can't do that, do this, you can't do that, do this. So finally he says you can't do anything, or you are not able to do anything, you are not understanding. वो नहीं हो रहा आपसे, तो यथाभिमत ध्यानात्वा. You do bhajan, do the bhajan. You do namajapam, do namajapam. You want to go to temple, go to temple. You want to sit at home and do some practice, do. कुछ भी करो, but please do. Okay. So this is up to, yeah. So we 1.39. We will now chant. Yeah. I want the next volunteer. So these are the tools to remove the obstacles. So please check with sir. Will 1.32 be considered as the first tool, or the 1.33? Okay. Okay. I'll go with Jyoti now. Jyoti is on my screen after.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, ma'am, sir told Ekatattva Abhyasa is first methods, ma'am.
Is?
Sir told that Ekatattva Abhyasa is the first method, ma'am.
First
in the
method.
class.
Then Maitri Karuna is second. Okay. But still check, because it always comes. Maitri Karuna is how much number is that? Is this the first technique or second technique? Is it third technique? So if we don't understand properly, we will lose marks.
Okay.
Ma'am, sir added one more also, this sutra, na, Tajapastarth Bhavanam. He said this is also the solution for antarayas.
Yeah. All those, all in the Ishvara, there are some sutras, no, that will also come for the Tattyapaha Bhavanam, correct. Okay, that removes the antarayas. Very good. You people are able to connect. Very good. So Jyoti, please chant. Tat pratishedhartham.
Tat pratishedhartam.
One more time.
Tat pratishedhartam.
Ekatatvabhyasaha.
Ekatatvabhyasah. Ekatatvabhyasah.
We'll try the whole sutra. Tat pratishedhartham ekatatvabhyasaha.
Tat pratishedhartam ekatatvabhyasah. Tat
So if you are not getting it continuously,
Ma'am?
Jyoti, if you are not getting it at a go, you can break it. Tat pratishedhartham ekatatvabhyasaha. Try like that.
Tat pratishedhartam ekatatvabhyasah.
One more time.
Tat pratishedhartam ekatatvabhyasah.
Very good. Very. Yeah. Anamika.
Yes, ma'am.
We will move to 1.33. Maitri Karuna.
Maitri Karuna, Maitri Karuna,
Muditopekshanam.
Mudita Upekshanam, Mudita Upekshanam.
Very good. You can break like that or say together. Anything is fine. If you are following English, break like that. Sukha Dukkha.
Sukha Dukkha, Sukha Dukkha.
Correct. Punya Apunya Vishayanam.
Punya Apunya Vishayanam, Punya Apunya Vishayanam.
So, Punya, they have given a standing line. After that, there is no standing line. So, Punya, Punya, cut. Vishayana.
Punya Punya Vishayanam, Punya
Vishayana.
Vishayanam, Punya Punya Vishayanam.
Before Vishaya, there is no one more standing line. So, it should be cut. Punya, Punya, cut. Don't extend. Try.
पुण्या पुण्या विषयाणां
No problem. Bhavanatah.
भावनात् भावनात्
चित्तप्रसादनम्
चित्तप्रसादनं चित्तप्रसादनं
chitta. There is no chitya. Chitta prasadanam. That will give you,
चित्तप्रसादनं
it's like prasada for your chittam, happiness. Okay. I will do the whole sutra. Then you can try. Maitri Karuna Muditopekshanam Sukha Dukha Punya Apunya Vishayanam Bhavanatah Chitta Prasadanam.
मैत्री करुणा मुदिता उपेक्षानां सुख दुःख पुण्य पुण्य विषयाणां भावना चित्तप्रसादनम् मैत्री करुणा मुदिता उपेक्षानां सुख दुःख पुण्य पुण्य विषयाणां भावनात् चित्तप्रसादनम्
Good. Well tried. Okay, I'll come back to Sindhu. Are you there? Sandeep, Sindhu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, because I called your names, you were not there. Okay, now 1.34, Sandeep will do. Prachardana,
Pratyardhana, Pratyardhana,
Pracha. See, half cha plus complete cha. Prachardana,
Pratyardhana, Pratyardhana,
Vidharanabhyam,
Vidharanabhyam, Vidharanabhyam,
Va,
Va,
Pran,
Va,
yeah. Pranasya.
Pranasya, Pranasya,
We'll try the whole sutra. Prachardana vidharanabhyam va pranasya.
Pratyardhana, Vidharanabhyam, Va, Pranasya. प्रत्यर्थविधारणाभ्यां वा प्राणस्य
Prachardana vidharanabhyam va pranasya. Please try one more
प्राणस्य
time with clarity.
प्रत्यार्थना विधारणाभ्यां वा प्राणस्य प्रत्यर्थना विधारणाभ्यां वा प्राणस्य.
If you people learn these sutras, no, if some of you are teachers, for example, I think I told earlier also, on a certain day in class, I pick up the qualities of Ishvara and I chant them. And towards the end of the practice, I explain them like Ishvara Pranidhana, Klesha Karma Vipaka Shehi, like that. So if you are perfect with the chanting, when they are lying down, if you chant, no, it will give a lot of peace to them. Okay, Sindhu, you will go ahead with the
Yes,
next one. Vishaya Pativa
Vishayavati va, Visayavati va,
Pravarti Rutpanna
Pravrittirutpanna, Pravrittirutpanna,
Manasaha
Manasaha, Manasaha,
Sthiti
Stiti, Stiti,
Nibandhini.
Nibandhani,
There is no
Niband,
here. Nibandhani.
Nibandhani, Nibandhani,
So here there is no H. So see like this. Nibandhani.
Nibandhani,
Ban.
Nibandhani,
It's
Ban,
mm,
Nibandhani, Nibandhani.
very good. So that is the challenge here. You have to next you have to say the, but here you have to say the plain ba.
One. Okay. Okay,
That's
ma'am.
it. So we'll try the whole sutra. Vishayavati va pravarti rutpanna manasaha sthiti nibandhani.
विषयवती वा प्रवृत्ति उत्पन्न मनसः स्थितिनिबन्धनी विषयवती वा प्रवृत्तिरुत्पन्न मनसः स्थितिनिबन्धने.
Very good. In my book, it is there Nibandhini. Here it is there Nibandhini, both. Acha, here one more important question will come. Please jot down. These are called as Bhavana Chatushtaya. Anyone knows this? They will ask what are the 4 Bhavana Chatushtaya. Then the answer is Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upeksha. Please write down if you have kept a book. I'm going to ask these questions whenever I conduct the exam.
Ma'am, can you repeat it again? Bhavana.
Bhavana Chatushtaya.
Taya, ma'am, or Padah.
Chatushtaya, char hai na?
हाँ,
Chatushtaya.
Okay, okay.
So like that you will get the Heyam Hetu Hana Upaya. That is also called some 4. Abhi mujhe immediately nahi yaad aa raha hai. If sir tells you, please note down, okay? Heyam Hetu Hana Upaya bol ke aata hai. If you come in, I think, second chapter, that time I'll tell you. Those are also called some 4, some Chatushtaya. Abhi immediately I'm not able to remember.
चतुर्व्यूह मैम.
Chaturvyuha, right. Thank you. Chaturvyuha. So if they ask Bhavana Chatushtaya, this is Maitri Karuna. Chaturvyuha means Heya Hetu Hanopaya. Hana Hanopaya. Something like that it will come. Don't get confused. Okay. Namita.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishokava Jyotishmati.
Vishokava Jyotishmati. Vishokava Jyotishmati.
Very good. Easy sutra. Roshni.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, give me a second. Vitaraga Vishayam Vachittam.
वीतरागविषयं वा चित्तम्
One more time.
वीतरागविषयं वा चित्तम्.
Very good. You all are becoming pros. I think you can start teaching now. Jyoti.
Yes, ma'am.
Swapna Nidra Jnanalambanam Va.
Swapnanitra Jnanalambanam Va.
One more time.
Swapnanitra Jnanalambanam Va.
Very good. Actually, I have some markings in my book. So here it goes up. Swapna Nidra Jnanalambanam Va. So if you don't have all those markings, no problem. Do neutral. Swapna Nidra Jnanalambanam Va. Try one more time.
Swapnanitra Jnanalambanam Va.
Very good. Yeah. Now, Anamika ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Yatha bhimata dhyanadva.
यथा विमत ध्यानत्वा.
No mata, mat. जिसका जो मत है, that you can follow. This is not mata, mat.
यथा विमत ध्यानत्वा.
See, yatha bhimata dhyanadva. Yatha bhimata dhyanadva.
यथा विमत ध्यानत्वा.
No mata, it is mat.
मत. यथा विमत ध्यानत्वा. ध्यानाद्वा. यथा विमत ध्यानत्वा. ध्यानाद्वा.
Very good. Okay. We will try to do some more sutras. So 1.40. and 1.41. Please note down what will you achieve with the practice. 1.40, 1.40 here up, upper likh lo if you all have a notes or you're writing. What you achieve with practice is the heading. Okay. From Parama Anu, from the smallest to Mahat, Bodh Bada, everything Asya in your Vashikara, in your control. You are like, you master everything. When you do your practice regularly in the above mentioned ways by Patanjali. Okay. Paramanu, Parama Mahatvanta, Asya Vashikaraha. Okay. In 1.41, he is saying, Kshina Vrittehe Abhijatasyeva Manehe Grahitr Grahana Grahyeshu Tatstha Tadana Janata Samapattihi. Okay. So we'll learn these two, then we'll move to the next one. So round robin will come back to Sandeep Kapil. So first we'll go with Sindhu now.
Yes, ma'am.
Paramanu,
Paramanu, Paramanu,
Parama Mahatvanto,
Parama Mahatvanto, Parama Mahatvanto.
So this indicates a short Asya. Asya Vashikaraha.
Asya Vasikaraha, Asya Vasikaraha.
Correct. Here you have to say sir, here you have to say Sembo Vala sir. Okay.
She.
Yeah. Here we won't say Ashya. We won't say Ashya. It is Asya. Here we'll say she.
She.
It's this.
Asya Vashi.
This sh, retroflex sh. When there is a dot under the sa, you can. Acha, this is not retroflex. Sorry. This is that Shiva Vala sir. Sembu. Yeah, I'm sorry for that. Okay. Paramanu, Parama Mahatvanto, Asya Vashikaraha.
Paramanu, Parama Mahatvanto, Asya Vashikaraha. Paramanu, Parama Mahatvanto, Asya Vashikaraha.
Very good. 1.1, Sandeep. So here he is saying Kshina Vrittehe. So beginning of the chapter he said no Yogahas Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Now he is connecting this. So if you do your practices regularly, the vrittis in the mind will start Kshina. Kshina means reducing. Abhijatasyeva Manihe. So your mind will start glowing like a money. Okay. And Grahitra is one who is perceiving, that is the Purusha. Grahana is the Indriyas, which are grasping. Grahyeshu is the object which we are grasping. Okay. And when mind unites with all this like this, that is Samapattihi. Okay. Now, Sandeep ji. Kshina Vrittehe.
Kshena Vrittehe, Kshena Vrittehe,
Abhijatasyeva Manehe.
Abhijatasyeva Manehe, Abhijatasyeva Manehe.
So this Abhijatasya family of money, they will be very crystal clear. Okay, so they are referring to that Abhijatasya money. Grahitra,
Grahitru, Grahitru,
Grahana,
Grahana, Grahana,
Grahyeshu,
Grashesu, Grashesu,
Grahyeshu,
Grahyeshu, Grahyeshu,
Tatstha, Tatstha,
Tatsat, Tatsat.
Tatstha, Tatstha.
Just a minute, no? My kid came from the school. Sorry.
You want to attend to him? Shall I ask someone else to chant?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please.
Okay. Namita,
Yes, ma'am.
they are more important. You should give your time to them. Okay. Sheena vrittehe.
क्षीणवृत्तेः क्षीणवृत्तेः
अभिजातस्येव मणेः
अभिजातस्येव मणिः अभिजातस्येव मणिः
ग्रहीतृ
ग्रहीत्र ग्रहीत्र
ग्रहण
ग्रहण ग्रहण
ग्राह्येषु
ग्राहेषु ग्राहेषु
तत्स्थ
तत्स्थ तत्स्थ
तदनजनता
तदनजनता तदनजनता
समापत्तिः.
समापत्तिः समापत्तिः
We will try the whole sutra. क्षीणवृत्तेः अभिजातस्येव मणेः ग्रहीतृ ग्रहण ग्राह्येषु तत्स्थ तदनजनता समापत्तिः.
I'll try, ma'am. क्षीणवृत्तेः अभिजातस्येव मणिः गृह
मणेः
मणेः गृहत्र
ग्रहीतृ ग्रहीतृ
ग्रहीत्र ग्रहण ग्राहेषु ततस्थ तदनजनता समापत्तिः. I'll try once more, ma'am. I
Yes,
think
yes.
very
Yes.
difficult. क्षीणवृत्तेः अभिजातस्येव मणेः ग्रहीत्र ग्रहण ग्राहेषु ततस्थ तदनजनता समापत्तिः.
Very good. I will stop here. Yes, Roshni.
मैम आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू प्रोनाउंस इट, मतलब मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है मेरी प्रोनाउंसिएशन इसमें अच्छी नहीं है. एक बार आप सुनोगे?
You want the screen or you have the chant with you?
मैम आई हैव चैंट विद यू.
ठीक है, एक मिनट.
कैन आई मैम?
Yeah, which sutra? This one, the present one which we did right now?
यस मैम. 41.
Yeah, please go ahead.
क्षीणवृत्ते अभिजातस्येव मणे ग्रहित ग्रहण ग्राहेषु ततस्थ दज्जन्ता समापत्तिः.
Yeah, very good. So we have completed 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people are there. We will do 5 sutras, okay? 5 sutras per person. Then how many? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 5 sutras roughly you can chant. We'll start with you only, Roshni. Please do 1.1 to 1.5.
ओके मैम. अथ योगा अनुशासनम् योगश्चित्तवृत्तिनिरोधः तदा द्रष्टुः सारूप्यावस्थानम् वृत्तिसारूप्यमितरत्र वृत्तयः पञ्चतयः क्लिष्टाः.
Very good. Now Jyoti, 6 to 10. The rest of you stay on mute, keep chanting, okay?
प्रमाण विपर्यय विकल्प निद्रा स्मृतयः प्रत्यक्षानुमानगमाः प्रमाणानि विपर्ययो मिथ्याज्ञानम् अतद्रूपप्रतिष्ठम् शब्दज्ञानानुपाति वस्तुशून्यो विकल्पः अभाव प्रत्ययालम्बनावृत्तिर्निद्रा.
Very good. Namita, 1.11 to 1.15.
Yes, ma'am. अनुभूत विषया समप्रमोषः स्मृतिः अभ्यास वैराग्याभ्याम तन्निरोधः तत्र स्थितौ यत्नोऽभ्यासः स तु दीर्घकाल नैरन्तर्य सत्कारसेवितो दृढभूमिः दृष्टानुश्रविक विषयवितरणस्य वशिकारसंज्ञा वैराग्यम्
Vishaya vitrishnasya. Try that word one more time.
विषयवितरणस्य
Krishna bolte hai na, वैसे trishna. When you lose the trishna or interest for the objects, then that is the
वितरण
कृष्णा बोलते हो ना, वैसे ही तृष्णा. अब ट्राई करो. विषय वितृष्णस्य.
विषय वितरणस्य
तृष्णस्य.
तृष्णस्य. That
Yeah.
Trishnasya is okay, ma'am, but before that you are pronouncing that ru, that I am not able to, that I find
विषय वितृष्ण.
वितृष्ण. विषय वितृष्ण. Okay. विषय वितरणस्य.
Namita, trishna means having a urge or wanting. Okay. वितृष्णस्य means नहीं चाहिए मुझे, उसका तृष्णा नहीं है. So if we add वितृष्ण, so विषय means objects or whatever. So विषय वितृष्णस्य. Please try 2-3 times.
Yes, ma'am. There is one more thing, ma'am. In the next sutra also there is a word vetranasya. That's same.
Same.
So,
Guna vaitrishnam.
I found difficulty in both these sutra. Three word you are saying, na tranasya. That
Yeah,
I'll
these
try,
are
ma'am.
the things that we should become aware, Namita. That is why we should do chanting. इसीलिए. So vitr, then vaitr. Next one guna vaitrishnas.
Vaitranas.
Guna vaitrishnam.
Vaitrishnam.
Yes.
Vaitrishnam.
Very good. Just
Vaitrishnam.
put your attention there. Look at it. You will get it. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
We will try the 15 one more time. 15th one more time, Namita.
Okay, ma'am. दृष्टानुश्रविक विषयवितरणस्य वसिकार
Vishaya Vishaya Vitrishnasya.
विषयवितरणस्य
Trishnasya.
तृष्णस्य वितृष्णस्य
Correct.
वितृष्णस्य. Thank you,
Correct.
ma'am.
You got it. और ये 11 में you said sampramoshaha. If you say sampramoshaha, it will change the meaning. It should be asampramoshaha. Anubhuta vishaya asampramoshaha smritihi. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. But ma'am, if we are saying Vishaya, because it is written
Then correct.
here,
Then correct.
then we can say some promotion. Huh?
हाँ, correct. तो उसको थोड़ा मिलाना था. You gave a break there, तो meaning change हो गया. So if you are doing it continuously, अनुभूत विषया प्रमोश, like it should extend there. ठीक है? Good.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Who is next? Anamika ji, 16 to 20.
Yes, ma'am. तत्परं पुरुषख्याति गुणवैतृष्ण्यं वितर्क विचार आनंद अस्मितरूपनुज्ञमत् संप्रज्ञातः विराम प्रत्याय अभ्यास पूर्वः संस्कार शेष अन्नः भवप्रत्यय विदेह प्रकृतिलयनम् श्रद्धा वीर्य स्मृति समाधि प्रज्ञापूर्वक इतरेषम्.
Very good. So certain places you are extending where it is not needed, and where it has to be extended, you are cutting it. But it is not a problem, but just pay your attention. Okay, Anamika, but you are very good. Okay.
ठीक है मैम.
Sandeep and Sindhu, are you guys free?
Ma'am, I will be there.
Yeah, 121 to 125, please.
Okay, ma'am. तीव्रसंवेगानाम् आसन्नः मृदुमध्य अधिमात्रत्वात् ततोऽपि विशेषः ईश्वरप्रणिधानात्वा क्लेशकर्मविपाक आशयैर् अपरामृष्टः पुरुषविशेष ईश्वरः तत्र निरतिशयं सर्वज्ञत्वबीजम्.
Very good. Roshni, 26 to 30.
Okay, ma'am. स एषा पूर्वेषामपि गुरुकालेनान्वच्छेदात् तस्य वाचकः प्रणवः तज्जपस्तदर्थभावनम् ततः प्रत्येकचेतनाधिगमोऽपन्तरायाभावश्च व्याधिस्त्यान् संशयप्रमादालस्य वीर्तिभ्रान्तिदर्शनालब्धभूमिकत्वानि अनवस्थित्वानि चित्तविक्षेपः अन्तरायः.
Very good. Jyoti, 1.31 to 1.40. Sorry, 1.35. 1.31 to 35.
दुःख धौर्मनस्याङ्गमे जयत्वश्वासप्रश्वास विक्षेपा सह भुवः तत्प्रतिषेधार्थम् एकतत्त्वाभ्यासः मैत्री करुणामुदितोपेक्षाणां सुखदुःखपुण्यापुण्याविषयाणां भावनातश्चित्तप्रसादनम् प्रच्छर्दनविधारणाभ्यां वा प्राणस्य विषयवती वा प्रवृत्तिरुत्पन्न मनसः स्थितिनिबन्धनी.
Very good. Namita, 1.36 to 1.41.
Okay, ma'am. विशोका वा ज्योतिष्मति वीतरागविषयं वा चित्तं स्वप्ननिद्राज्ञानलम्बन वा यथाभिमध्याह्नाद्वा प्रमाणुपरं महत्त्वान्तोऽस्य वसिकारः क्षीणवृत्तेरभिजातस्यैव मणेः ग्रहीतृग्रहणग्रहायेषु ततस्थित तदञ्जनता समापत्तिः.
Very good. Anybody feeling that you want to chant any sutra that you are not feeling confident? You want to correct yourself? Yes, Roshni.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन है, सूत्रा तो चैट नहीं करना.
What
मैम
Roshni?
you said bhavana chatushtaya. It's related to which sutra?
1.33. उसमें है देखो भावनात चित्त प्रसादनम. So bhavana chatushtaya means those 4: Maitri, Karuna, Muditopekshana. 1.33.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so next class mostly we will be, I think Wednesday, we will be done with this chapter. I will prepare some questions, okay? We will see however many we will do. So this Friday, okay, I'll stop the recording.